Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lesson is on prepositions. In fact, it is on kind of prepositions, and we are going to study the three different types of prepositions that we have, and this is page number 111 on your Wren and Martin book. And take out the book, otherwise you can use the document that I send you in the group along with this lesson. First of all, what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that tells us about the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other things, right? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with other things. For example, when I say the book is lying on the table, the book is lying on the table, so it is showing the relationship of the table with the book. So table is a noun, and preposition is showing the relationship of that noun with other thing, that is book. And preposition is used before the noun. So in this case, when I say that the book is lying on the table, on is used before the noun table, and it is showing the relationship of the table with the other thing, that is the book in this case. So by definition, you can say that preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun with other things, in simplest of words. Today actually we are going to see the kinds of prepositions. Page number 111, 373. There are three kinds of prepositions. First one is the simple preposition, like you can see: at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, with. These are simple prepositions because these are single words. Then the second type of preposition is the compound preposition. Compound prepositions, as we read, which are generally formed by prefixing a preposition, usually a or be, to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. Right? When we add a is a preposition, be is a preposition, we add it before the noun, adjective or adverb, and that becomes a preposition. Such type of preposition is called the compound preposition. For example, about, above, across, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind. You can see we have added be, like when I say below, so low is the adjective and be we added before it, and it has become a compound preposition. Beside, in this case, be is again the prefix that we are adding. Side is the noun, so beside has become the preposition. Between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without. So these are the compound prepositions in which a or be is added before a noun, adjective or an adverb. Such kinds of prepositions are called compound prepositions. Then there are phrase prepositions, as you can see, number 3. These are the group of words used with the force of a single preposition. For example, according to is a phrase preposition. We all know that what is a phrase. Phrase is a group of words, minimum 2 words, can be more, but they do not have their independent subject. Phrases do not have their independent subject. If there is an independent subject, it becomes a clause or a sentence. So there is a difference between a phrase and a clause and a sentence that we have studied in the class in depth. According to, agreeably to, along with, away from, because of, a dint of, a means of. These are all the phrase prepositions. There's a list of phrase prepositions given on this page. Now your task now is to there are different prepositions given: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, and phrase prepositions. All these prepositions are given. Your task is to form sentences of these prepositions. First you will make the sentences of the simple prepositions that are given here, then you will make the sentences of the compound prepositions that are given here, and then you will make the sentences from the phrase prepositions that are given here. and make sure that the meanings of these prepositions and the function of these prepositions is clear to you. Also write the definition of the preposition. What is a simple, compound and phrase preposition, and then make the sentences. Show me your work. If you have any question you can ask. That's it for now.